In today's video, I'll teach you how to create GCash account. So if you want to create the GCash account, it is actually very simple. First of all, launch open GCash application. You can see over here GCash application has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. In order to get started, you'll have to put your phone number. So first of all, select the country code. Tap on the field of country code. Now what you have to do is simply select the country code according to your choice. After you do that, enter your phone number over here. Make sure to enter the correct phone number. Now tap on the option next that you can see on the screen. Now once you do that, you can see over here a 6-digit authentication code will be sent to your registered mobile number. What you have to do is simply enter the authentication code over here. Due to some reason, I'm not being able to receive the authentication code right now, but I'll tell you what to do. What you have to do is simply enter the authentication code and you'll be able to proceed creating the account. What you have to do is enter the personal details, enter your full name, date of birth, address and email address. Now what you have to do is set up the MPIN, create a 4-digit mobile PIN for security. Now what you have to do is simply use the new credentials in order to log into your account and access the app. Now your account will be created and you will be able to use the GCash app. So that is how you create GCash account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.